Hey guys, it's raining right now. I'm walking to my old school because I want to put a drain this Saturday. U-Haul. They're checking. See if any cars. I don't want to, I'm on the sidewalk right now. But I don't know. Cars on the sidewalk. Not really allowed to, but, them. Decent people don't care. People need to care, but fortunately they don't. I'm at my old suit. I have my umbrella with me. Got my boots on. You can tell. You can hear it. No suit today. I need to cross, but I can't because of the car coming. I need to cross because the bus coming. Metro. We're not catching the bus, but thank God. Why do you do this, people? Talk up there. Just trash. I don't want no trash right here going in the drain. It's trash. I try not to put trash in the drain. There we go. It's raining. So I need to walk back over. Crossing back over now. It's the wind from Metro. Not windy really at all. I'm just hunting for these rains and making sure not clogged in any way. No food today because today's Saturday. No food. Oh.